It's a little complicated.
Do I gotta put my camera on there too?
Let's go to the end.
Okay. You gotta get the baby. Yeah. Come on, miss. This is yours, baby.
So family of 3 people, right?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And we're boarding our first time on a plane ever together, Papa.
We're going to Chicago.
Chicago, here we go. He's so excited. He keeps saying how he can't stop smiling. It makes my heart beat. Makes me so happy you're happy. My parents too. My mom, she's traveled everywhere, living her best life. But my dad, he hasn't been on a plane in 30-some years. Oh my gosh, this is my first time setting foot on a plane. This is so weird. Weird. I have to break the memory now. Go.
It's his first time.
Mason's first time on a plane. Am I getting out?
Yeah. Mason,
Found our seats. The windows are so small. I wasn't expecting the windows to be so small.
A, B, C are on your right, D, E, F are on your left. All crayon items must be stowed in an overhead bin near your seat.
Your mom pushing me, dude.
She's shoving her up? Because she wants to be next to a window.
You know, look at it. They're running over here for the window seat. Suzette's so mad right now. Suzette is so mad. You okay, puppy?
How do you put this on?
What do you mean?
Everybody have to
No seatbelts here. There's no need for seatbelts. If we crash, guess what? We done. No seatbelts needed, bro.
You know what are you feeling excited?
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be dimming the cabin lights for the duration of the flight. Additional ring lamps are located above each passenger seat.
Suzette relentless.